New to the UK and exclusively sold by Micron Work Holding Limited are the products from Engineering Data in Tours, France, already a large brand in mainland Europe. 0-point systems, self-centering vices, cubes, robots and automated pallet systems. Engineering Data also have a fully integrated design and automated office within the company. Let us show you around the Factory 4.0, practicing what they preach in automation and robotisation of machine tools. 80% of all production is automised. Six-axis robots on CNC lathe twin spindle machines with parts positioning by gravity. The EasyBox T30 pallet systems are designed for the machining centres. They're quick, simple and easy to integrate to your existing machines with an intuitive control system. There are different sizes and weights available in the EasyBox range, up to the T100 model, which has a weight capacity of 100 kilograms per pallet on a 32 pallet pull arrangement. A linear robot with the ability to serve several spindles as well as a measuring machine is also available. With this flexible equipment, it's possible to program the single part runs or large batch quantities all at the same time. What are your requirements? What are your needs? We are available to study the capacity of your machine and how it would act if it was automated. Don't hesitate to give us a call on 01480 861 321 or sales@microlock.com.